tumbled leather. Yo, what's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all, and this time we have a special shoe on deck for y'all. They've been doing a lot of these colored toe with colorways recently, and I'm glad. The last big drop was the yellow toe taxi Jordan 1s, which came out, and those were super nice, super plush leather. I hope you guys had a chance to go ahead and grab those, but this time we're getting a nice, decent colorway, and this one was kind of teased last year when those other UNC blue Jordan 1s came out. This is the UNC toe colorway, or the Carolina blue toe colorway, and I really like these joints. They take after the bread toe style colorway. Not quite as good materials on these, some decent quality, but not the greatest. Definitely good enough for a GR. Definitely not shattered backboard vibes though, not on this shoe, but we have some decent vibes on the leather. All right, so before I jump into the shoe and get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends. Go ahead and hit that notification bell as well. I know I normally don't say that, but hit that notification bell so you can see when I post things on my YouTube page, okay? Like I said, share it with your family and friends. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate that growth. We're moving right along. I got some good stuff coming in, and you guys are going to be happy with the videos that are popping up. Follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Go ahead and check out that Reels page. The Reels page is popping. Make sure y'all go check it out. If y'all like beats and y'all like sneakers, it's just a nice combination of both, okay? And last but not least, go ahead and check us out in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description of the video. Again, the Discord link is in the description of the video, so go ahead and check that out. We have a really good community in there. We like to share shoes, trade shoes, buy shoes from one another. We do all those good things, and if you want to figure out where I got this particular pair of shoes, you guys can go there and check out the Discord, okay? Link is in the description. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this shoe because it's pretty much the same as any other colored toe colorway, okay? So the only thing is the materials are not quite as good, but they are decent, okay? Got these from my friend Christina Kicks. She's online on Instagram. You guys can go ahead and check her out. Follow me, like I said, on the Instagram page or on the Discord in the link in the description, and you'll see where Christina's information is. Just a disclaimer, this is a UA shoe. It's not the retail, so I'm just letting y'all know. UNC colorway, or Carolina blue toe colorway. Very, very dope. Just a quick overview of the shoe. We got our black on the mud guard going up the laces and right here on that stay and the eye stays and all of that. Then we got our UNC colorway in the back on the heel. Very, very nice. I do like this embossed Air Jordan right here. It looks good. The placement is very nice. You got the white mid panel right here with the black Nike swoosh. And then on the outsole of the shoe, you have that nice Carolina blue. So very, very dope. All right, so taking a closer detail look at that toe box. Now that toe box is nice. Definitely not the toe box that we get on like the 85 cut, but it's got nice curvature to it. Very nice. I do enjoy that. That's how the toe box is supposed to look. Not all boxy. It's supposed to look nice and slanted just like that. So very, very nice there. We do have our leather right here. You guys can see, got some tumbling in there. So nice tumbled leather vibes. I like that, as opposed to this flat right here. This flat, more so leather right here. We got some nice soft tumble leather, and it's kind of soft, so I do think that they did a good job with that. Everything looks to be spaced exactly the way it's supposed to be. Going to the mid panel, we got that white right there. Now this is more of a Chicago style leather right here. It's nice and soft, but it's just kind of like borderline between like that Chicago 1. That's kind of what it's like. Now the shattered backboard leather, this was all tumbled in here, and it was kind of a sail color. This is more of a pure white that matches the midsole right here. So it does look super clean against this black and this UNC blue. So I can't deny it. It's very nice. I'm not too worried about the leather right here. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. It's gonna stress and distress and all of that as you wear it, and it'll look good. Going up around that ankle collar, you guys can see that tumbled leather right there. This is kind of more that shattered backboard feel right here, up here on the ankle collar. So very, very nice. You guys can see that. I like how the embossment is on this. It could have been a little cleaner in here, but who's nitpicking? I think it looks really good. I have no complaints with that. We do have nice curvature here on the heel. It's a little straighter than what I would have liked to see, but it's okay, not bad. The black around the ankle collar is a little firm. It's not too firm, but it's kind of like borderline. It's like a mid-grade between firm and soft. It's kind of nice. We got our nice little hourglass shape. You guys can see that. I laced it up just for you. The stitching looks really, really good, so no complaints there. The medial side of the shoe. Now here we go. Here's the discrepancy. Look at that. You see how we got a lot of tumbling right here, but on the other side, it's almost like it's a different cut of leather. Now it could just be the sheet of leather and how they cut it, and that's fine. But this is really nice. Now this should be looking like it's on both sides, on both panels, but it is what it is. I'm not complaining about it. It's really nice. The leather is still good quality, so nothing bad about that. Nothing to complain about. We got our black laces going up the shoe, and then we also have an extra set of laces, which is here. Now, they didn't put this in that baggie that hangs from the shoe, so I'll be really curious to see if the retail actually comes like that. But this would be pretty cool if they're kind of reducing their carbon footprint and then making this in like a cardboard box that's biodegradable. So you do get the extra set of laces with these joints, so I'm not upset about that. Will I wear them in the shoe? Probably not. I just leave the black. I like the way it looks. It's real classy, but this is cool too if you want to spice it up. Tongue of the shoe, we got that Nike Air right there. There's the branding. Looks really good, so nothing to complain about there. Everything looks pretty much lined up well. It's not too tight. It's not too loose. It looks good. There's not an extra R here. I know there's usually like a Nike, there's an R, and then there's like an extra R somewhere in there. I don't see that, so I'd be surprised to see if that's on the retail as well. Insole of the shoe is black. It's that nice Dreamcell stuff that you guys know and love. It's very comfortable stuff. It's way better than the old foam style insoles, so I can't complain about that. I do like this. It's nice and squishy. Very, very nice stuff. So we're gonna have a nice comfort fit with these, all right? So overall, if I had to rate this joint on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give this one a solid 9. I'm actually not dissatisfied with this. I like this shoe a lot. It actually can go with a few different fits. So I really like this one. Construction and materials, the shoe looks great. I like it a lot. I think construction and materials, I gotta give it a solid 9. So overall, I'll probably give this shoe a solid 9, all right? So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope it was informative for y'all. The release date I will put down below. I don't know what it is off the top of my head, but I will put it down below for you guys. And hopefully we all get a pair, and then we can do another comparison video when these joints come out, all right? So until next time, y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.